How to accept invitation on Skype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to accept an invitation on Skype. Whether you're joining a group call or connecting with a new contact, we will guide you through the process, so let's just get started. For that, open up the Skype app on your device, and if you're not signed in yet, you can enter up your credentials and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, you will be on the main Skype screen. So, if you have received an invitation in Skype or wherever, what you can do is simply head over to that invitation and simply tap on it, and then you'll be directly led to the space. So here, what you can do is simply tap on this join now option, and you can either accept it or decline it. And you can also decline if you don't want to accept the request. After that, from here you can start chatting and making calls and share media with your new contact or group. So if you're not seeing an invitation, make sure your notifications are turned on and check your contact request or chat section in Skype. And that is it. Now you know how to accept invitations on Skype. So if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.